All right, this is day number 3 on the lettuce. And look at that. It looks fresh still. A little dry on this side, but nice and moist. You can see moisture all around it. So this is why it keeps it so fresh. So that's not that bad. A couple of days on it. Very good. This is not dishwasher safe. You got to hand wash it. But overall, it keeps everything nice and fresh. We're going to go ahead and use some lettuce. So I went to the bakery just to get one of these virotes. It was nice and fresh. All right, we're gonna do a little torta. Normally I would do a torta de jamón, but today just a regular torta made of turkey. And I'm gonna show you simplicity lunch. All right, not that bad. You could add your spices if you want. You could do whatever you want, but we're gonna do it my way. All right. So the same knife, I carved it. Same everything. This is like a 2-minute quick 2-minute. All right, so I like to add 2 types of cheeses. All right, so you could add more if you want, your call on this one. So we're gonna add another one here, keep it there. Let's get one more, another one. All right, and then the pizza, well, I don't want to do the pizza resistance yet. We're gonna add this, and then we're gonna layer another one, lettuce. All right, lettuce. We're gonna add another layer of cheese. I love cheese. I love some cheese. Save me some time. Double cheese it. You can add your mustard, pickles, whatever you want. But this is a quick, just to get your mouth watering. And then big pieces of turkey. Look at that. Get 2 of them. Well, you know what? Be more modest. Get some little pieces in there going on. And if you want, you can add other things, but this is it. Pretty much it. Fill it up. Take it to amusement parks. Make sure if it's gonna take somewhere, you gotta keep it cool because it's turkey. But if you're traveling long distance, take a cooler. 2 of these. It's gonna make it worth it. Add some more. I like more. More is better.